Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is April 1st, you guys. April Fools. I hate today. I hate it because everybody tries to fool me and it works because I fall for everything. So if you tell me you're pregnant, that's great. Which I get that a lot with my friends. Like, I'm pregnant. Like, they'll come up with some, like, a picture of a ultrasound, fake, whatever. And just anything. My dad has done it to me. Well, not the pregnant part, but my dad's been always joking around on April Fools, and he's got me really good, guys. So good. But and I hate it. I hate it because I believe everything sometimes, not all the time. But when it's stuff that people mess around with, and it could be like a true life, like a real life thing, you don't mess with that. You just don't. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys my March favorites, the products that I have been absolutely loving, that I've been using a lot lately. And the very first one I'm going to show you is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the new limited edition highlighter. And oh my God, you guys, like, when I went into Sephora here in town, where I live, I couldn't find it. I asked one of my friends that works there. She's like, we sold out, we don't have it. And I was like, bummer. Like, why? But so I guess I gave up for a little because I was like, okay, it's gonna be back, but it is a limited edition. And I bought it for $28 at Sephora. So as soon as I got in line, because I bought, what did I buy that day? I don't remember. But so I was looking through, you know, when there's like the aisle, like where you're waiting, there's like little things, knickknacks and stuff, like you can buy like little tweezers or just something small, like looks like a sample, but it's for sale. And so then I saw this right in front of me, you guys, and I felt like there was like like clouds were, you know, the sun was hitting it, the clouds were going and moving out of, it's just one of those things where I saw and I'm just like, oh my God, it's there. And I originally had gone for the Fenty highlight, I forgot the name, and I did buy it, you guys, but I did not like it. I didn't, it wasn't for me. I didn't. I like it as an eyeshadow, but that whole thing just for an eyeshadow, no, that wasn't gonna happen. But I love the packaging, you guys. It's black and then it's so like classy. It has stars on it and it's, you know, like the color's amazing. Rose gold at the bottom. And of course you got all of your information at the bottom. And once you open it, like, look at that. Like, I love it. I like how wavy it is. And I actually have it on, well, you really can't tell, but I actually have it on today. I guess I didn't put that much. But the mirror is great, you guys, because you can put some highlight on the go if you just, because that's how, yes. That has happened to me where I forget to put some highlight on and I'm like, wait a second, I'm just grab it and go, grab a brush, let's go. So yes, this is my favorite all-time highlighter. And I also have the So Hollywood highlighter and it's good too. I love it, but I'm currently in love with this one. Next, you guys, I'm going to move in with a eyebrow kit that I bought, you guys, at Target. And I have been looking for I was looking for a kit for eyebrows just to have like more variety of colors, not just one or two. And like I told you guys before, I have my own kit now and I do makeup on the side. So I needed to buy a palette that had a bunch of other colors, and this one's it, you guys. This one's a Profusion Defined Brows, and I love it because it has stencils, which usually I don't really use them unless the person has literally like 1 or 2 hairs of eyebrows, like it's happened to me before. So in here it has, you know, the stencils to draw them in, and then I'm gonna see if I can show you in all the colors, you guys. There's 6 colors, and then the white one, this one's a highlighter, and then this one's like a blonde. I guess it has 7 colors. And then it has 2 brow pencils and a brush, which I don't really use this one. But I tried it on myself first before I use it on my clients, and I absolutely loved it, you guys. Like, I use my Morphe, I bought a brow palette by Morphe, and I love that too. But I don't know, I'm currently in love with this one. This one, I do not use this one's for my clients, but like I said, I had to try it out to see if it worked, because if it didn't work for me, I'm not gonna use something I do not like on my clients. No. And then the best part about this, you guys, it's retailed for, I bought it at Target for $10, you guys, $9.99 plus tax, yada yada. But I was so, like, I was so surprised for this humongous thing. $10, like $10, and I've loved it ever since. I've been loving it since I got it actually. So I need to buy myself another one because this one I do not use anymore. This one I use for my clients. But yeah, this one is amazing, you guys. I definitely recommend it. My next favorite that I've been using a lot is, it came in March's BoxyCharm. It's Pretty Vulgar. It's Make Them Blush 18 Hush Blush. And this is what it looks like, you guys. For those of you who are subscribed to BoxyCharm, yeah, you know what I mean. This is great. The only thing that it's kind of like weird that when I grab a little bit of product on the brush, it'll automatically, it does pick up, but then like I could see still some in there, and I'm like, all right, so I have to blow, and you know, everything, the excess falls away. And the one thing that I do love is that it goes on perfectly, sometimes even too much. So with one swab that I grab and then just put it on my cheeks, it's perfect. Like with one, and I just start blending it out. And sometimes I even have to take a little bit out because my cheeks look too pink or red. But yeah, I mean, that's the only, I guess that's the only bad thing that I have to keep. Well, yeah, the only bad thing is that it comes off too, there's too much product, it comes out, and I'm like, oh, what a waste. Like, and I don't know, I have the habit of blowing the, whatever it is of shadows or blushes or anything that I'm using, and yeah, that's the only thing. But the good thing about this is that it does go on really well, it colors really well, so it is amazing. Now, the other thing also came in the BoxyCharm, March's BoxyCharm, is a double-decker lashes, you guys. And this is a Butter London, by Butter London. And oh my God, like, they don't sell it here in town because I don't have an Ulta, but I am going to go to El Centro, because I live like about an hour away, Centro, California, to buy another one. And guys, I'm not even done with this one, but I want another one because, like I said, like, I don't know when I'm gonna go back there. And it's just, it leaves your lashes, like, well, right now, I bought some lashes yesterday, and they're by Guess. And I actually stacked them because I bought 2. But anyways, as soon as I applied this, like, even my lower, like, I can, once I put it on, like, you can see my lashes pop out like that, like, quick. But this is my go-to, you guys. Sorry, Maybelline. Sorry, CoverGirl. Because Maybelline and CoverGirl are my favorite mascaras. They're brands of mascaras. They're amazing, but this one's my go-to at the moment. This one's amazing. My ultimate favorite palette in the whole world at the moment, it is Morphe's 24G Grand Glam. This is my favorite, my go-to. Quick story, when they shipped this to me, one of the colors shattered completely and I had to fix it. And I know it's kind of dirty. I used it on my eyes today. And this one was the one that was all shattered. I was so upset. My heart sunk, you guys. I was like, what the heck? But I emailed them. I was nice about it, and they were really good about everything. And I love Morphe for that. Love you. But so yeah, these are my favorite. All of these are my colors, you guys. I'm more of a matte person. I like to put matte shadow. Oh, and then today, you guys, my look, I tried a crease, a total cut crease. This one looks better than the other one, and don't judge me. I'm starting to do it. I actually had to look at tutorials before I even started my cut crease, but hey, we gotta learn somewhere, right? And yeah. But this is my ultimate favorite, you guys. I love this palette. It fits in my Sonia Kashuk makeup bag that I currently have for my personal makeup. And that's all I need because everything fits in there. Absolutely everything. My next 2 favorites, and I say 2 because I'm just going to show them together because they're exactly the same thing. They are MAC's concealers and correctors, you guys. These are amazing. I did use them on the color that fits me best, and just to see how it fell and how it went on, and I really, really liked it. So I use these for my clients, you guys. I don't use these for myself. After using 1 or 2 colors on myself, I did clean it and sanitize and everything because these I don't use for myself. But I think I'm gonna go buy one because I absolutely love it. I love it. And one, I have it in medium and the other one's light. So I bought these 2 and they've been great, you guys. I like to mix them if the color doesn't really fit my client. So it's not that bad. These are my favorite actually for them. And that is it, you guys. That is all I have as favorites. And maybe it was too fast, but that's good because that means that the video doesn't have to be that long. Yes, I know I try to do videos that aren't really, well, the last one I made was like maybe like 15 or 16 minutes long, but I try not to because I do talk a lot, so I am sorry. But anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. Comment, you guys, like, hit that subscribe button, you guys. I do subscribe back. I do. And follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Snapchat, I do have a Snapchat, but I don't know. I've been trying to find a way to change the name to my Snapchat because my Snapchat has a different name and it doesn't add, my Twitter has jennilin and so does my Instagram. So I'm working on that recently. But yeah, subscribe you guys, like this video, comment, let me know what else you guys want to see. And I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. I enjoy showing you guys my products or how I do my makeup, or I haven't done one about my hair because guys, like my hair's long, like yeah. It's long. And it is mine, you guys. For those of you who think that I have extensions, I don't. Like, I don't have extensions. But anyways, I am going to make a video about my hair just to like, you know, because I do updos and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, I hope you guys have a great Easter Sunday. And may God bless you, each and every one of your families. And we will see you soon.